Hey guys, so this is my week 5 update. So I'm week 5, day 2.5. Not too much has changed since my original announcement and week 4. I feel like I've gotten a little, I feel like I can, I never understood when pregnant women could smell things that other people couldn't smell, but I feel like I have that now. I feel like I can smell things normally my sense of smell isn't really that good. And that was a really great thing. Now that I feel like it's stronger, I'm not happy with the majority of what I'm smelling. You know, just putting that out there into the universe. Oh, I got a little queasy last night, and I know it's not really it can hit you whenever, but I know it's supposed to be in the first trimester, so it's supposed to be between the beginning and some people said it peaks around 6 or 7 weeks, and then it goes all the way until I think 10 or 12 weeks. Some people get it beyond that, but most people it stops after that. So I got a little bit of queasiness last night, but I actually I think I've discovered that the evening is when I tend to be more anxious, so it could be either anxiety or it could be queasiness from being pregnant. I'm really not sure. The medicine that I typically take when I'm feeling really anxious, I can't take when I'm pregnant, so I just have to breathe through whatever anxiety or whatever I'm feeling. So it's actually kind of a good exercise in figuring things out for yourself. So I haven't had, I had a couple tough incidences, but I didn't have an official panic attack yet, which is kind of nice because I feel like that's not gonna be fun. So yeah, I've been feeling fine. The only thing that I think is a little bit hard is I really want to tell everyone. I am just so excited. You know, we were trying for so long and I'm finally pregnant and I'm super excited, but I know that you can do whatever you want, but I think that most people recommend you wait until the end of the first trimester, just because the chances of anything going wrong are much slimmer. So I'm trying not to say anything. The majority of the people that I see in my daily life are people at work, and I really want to tell them because they've known about my struggle to try to get pregnant and how it's been a while. So I really do want to tell them, but I also don't want to have to get into any more detail if things don't work out. So I need to just suck it up and wait. So I am trying. So I do think that I'm peeing more. I do feel like I need to eat every 3-ish hours. I need to munch on something. I've been drinking a ton of water. There's multiple water bottles just everywhere, because I used to only drink water and tea. I haven't done tea yet. I've just been doing water, because I know you're supposed to watch your caffeine intake, and I feel like I usually do decaffeinated tea. I know that still has some caffeine in it. I've never drank coffee. I've always been a tea person, but I'm a little bit hesitant just because I know there's some caffeine in it, and that doesn't make me comfortable with my anxiety either, because it tends to just get my heart racing a little bit more, which I'd prefer not to experience. So anyways, I'm really excited. I'm happy. I'm tired. But everything is good. I am still kind of nervous about when or if morning sickness really hits and makes my life more difficult, so I'm hoping and praying that that does not happen. Please, let me be one of those unicorn people that just doesn't get it. That would be awesome. And I'm hoping there's 2 of them in there. Did I say that in my previous video? I'd like to have twins, a boy and a girl. That would just be delightful. Because we don't have any kids, so I know it's gonna be just mayhem when we have a baby. So why not just have 2? You know, get it done at once. There's 2. You know, it just makes sense. I'm telling you, it makes sense to me. So I think that would be amazing. That would be wonderful. I'd be very pleased if that was the case. But what you want and what happens don't always line up. So we'll see. I just want everything to go well, and I'm excited and I'm nervous, and it's starting to really settle in. This is real, and oh my gosh. I hope this was a good idea. Oh, that's so scary. It's so scary. It's so real. I haven't taken those pictures yet either. I'm a little apprehensive about that because I don't think I'm going to be comfortable I mean, we can all do whatever we want, whatever we are comfortable with. So I don't think I'm gonna do like showing my belly. I don't think I'm quite comfortable with that. But I'm gonna maybe try to wear the same outfit for as long as I can to just kind of, you know, show each week and turn to the side and show my belly. So I think I wanna do those pictures. They seem really cute, and yeah, I should start because we're at week 5 and it goes quickly. And the one app I have, so I have a couple of apps that I like. So I have, there's a WebMD pregnancy, which is pretty cool. So it talks about like, so it says for the first trimester, week 5, like the umbilical cord is forming, just shows. But anyways, okay, so that's a cool one. And it has like a bunch of articles. Then Ovia pregnancy, tells you, so this one says it's the size of a peppercorn. Her ears are beginning to form. And then what to expect when you're expecting, so I guess a peppercorn is similar to an orange seed, and it has like different like discussions and things, and I've been getting emails because I'm in a couple of these apps that you'll get emails when there's like discussions, and you can join a group for people that are due around the same time. So I did that. So that was nice because people were talking about morning sickness. Well, that made me nervous, but it was nice that, you know, other people are nervous about it too, and, you know, just what do you do? And then the last one is Baby Bump. So I feel like these are decent apps, and it just like gives you advice, and it has a spot for you to put your pictures and a spot for you to like journal and put down like the symptoms that you're experiencing and any concerns you have. And I just am excited that the internet exists, because you can Google everything. The book, so I got the happiest little baby on the block, and that my sister recommended, and a couple of websites recommended that one. And that one's been really interesting, but it is for babies. It's for when your baby's born, and it's just like tips and tricks and things to do to help them sleep, and just like general information. So it's good, but I need to be reading something more focused on pregnancy right now. So I need to, my other books I ordered on Amazon, but I got them like secondhand. They're not like Amazon Prime eligible, so they're coming in like 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, wasn't willing to pay that extra $5 each. It's just not worth it. I'm sorry, I'll just wait. Hope that things keep going well, and I'm trying to learn and grow. And at first I was like, oh my God, 9 months, like that's so long. I am so glad we have 9 months, because we are not ready. If you want to follow my social media, everything's listed below. I would love that, and please give me any feedback, any love and positivity you would like to share. This is very exciting. I'm very excited. Michael's here again because he just cannot get enough of me and my belly. He keeps like sitting, like coming to me and like sitting right in my belly. Like right, I don't know what his deal is. Maybe he's just feeling extra affectionate, or he knows. I know he's a cat. We've had this discussion, but I think he knows. Just have a seat, dude. Just make yourself at home. All right, so that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching.